All right, so it's 8/2/23. We are going to kind of weld this big old spot if we could. What's up with all this other metal stuff? Are we gonna leave it?
Which one?
All this extra gear.
What, this thing? Yeah, we don't leave these.
It hasn't broken yet.
Yeah, it's not gonna. It doesn't. I don't. It's, you know, it's not significant right
This
there.
lasts for this long.
This on the bracket. This is probably a little thicker. And there's a little. There's more here. It's shorter. So the way the amount that expand is probably a lot less than the long rod.